Puff and even more puff. $15,000 super. We're feeling super ourselves, so we're gonna try our best to win. Start with 2. Oh my goodness, first spin. Okay. $12 first spin. You like it? Okay, okay. 4 more. We haven't had Wolfie come down and blow. There he is right there. We haven't had Wolfie come down and blow some, oh, right now would have been a great time. As I was asking for it. He hasn't found his way down yet. Oh my goodness, I just looked down for 1 second and it almost came. What are we on? Okay. 2 cents. $4. Let's try that. Try a couple here. Of course, Corporate Pig is in the way. Those are the progressives up there. We'd like to hit one of those, of course. 4 more. Golden Buzzsaw for no reason. 1 more. Okay, here we go, baby. $4 bet. The Golden Buzzsaw didn't come last time, but we believe that it can come back this time, right? Right. Okay, here we go. Mansions feature. Mansions feature. Mansions feature. Oh my god, is it Mansions? Oh my goodness, people. We hit the Mansions feature again on Huff and even more Puff. I don't know how many times this is, but it's been a long time coming. Oh, okay. $4 bet, 2 cent denomination. Everyone, I'm excited. Now let's get none of those dead spins, please. Come on, Wolfie, we love you so much. Wolfie. Every spin, 3 triggers, 3 triggers, 3 triggers. Random jackpot, come on. Oh, come on. There's no dead spins. If I mention it's May 1st, it's gonna be May. It's gonna be May. Excuse me? If it does that 1 at a time silliness, then I guess that's okay. But let's do at least 1 re-trigger. Come on, 1. It did this last time. We had 1 at a time, 1 at a time. Okay, 2 at a time. Let's get a couple more of those 2 at a times. And we'll be very happy. Let's get 1 re-trigger at least, right? Okay, 1 at a time again. Okay, it did this last time too, so the mansion features are way different than the first game, but getting a mansion feature nonetheless is awesome. $4 bet. How many is that? 4, 8. So at least we got one every single spin. Hello, Wolfie. Hello, new Wolfie. Let's get one of those. Coins, 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 coins. Coins. Big, big, grand, grand. Big one. Minor. Minor, they're minor. Okay, $100 each. We like that, we like that. That's absolutely wonderful. We're down some odd amount of money, so this is good. Quick mansion feature. So they don't come as bountifully as the last game. I mean, I've seen it when people have gotten just 1 extra mansion. They're doing $1 bet, so this is really good. $550. Okay, we take that. Let's do a few backup spins and be on our merry way. Oh, we wouldn't mind a back-to-back. Is that the understatement of a lifetime? We wouldn't mind a back-to-back? Of course we wouldn't. It's just so fun getting a mansion feature. Do it again. Obviously. It's like the 3rd or 4th one I've gotten on this game. I can't believe how many mansion features I've gotten. But it's a good sample size. Okay, hello, where are you? Come back, come back. 2 more bets, I think it's absolutely perfect. Okay. Corporate Pig for once. Corporate Pig for once. Okay, 36. Okay. I don't know if the game is trying to trick me, people. It might be. 2 more? I think it's definitely trying to trick me, but where are you, Wolfie? Okay. Oh, it keeps showing the 1. What, are you gonna come down? What, you're just gonna laugh at me? Okay, okay. You're just gonna laugh at me from up there. You know what? I think we're gonna take this and run. I'm gonna go to another game. I don't know how much better it can get than a mansion feature and a row full of corporate pigs. We wanna go play some other games. I don't wanna give it back. I think that's the key, people. Don't give back your winnings to the casino. Don't say, I'm playing with house money. I can afford another $100 or $200. It's hard to win $100 or $200 on slots, you know that, right? So, yeah. I'll see you all in the next one.